Bitcoin on Cash App operates as a simple and user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and transferring Bitcoin. Here's how it works. Buying Bitcoin. Users can purchase Bitcoin directly from the Cash App by linking their bank account or debit card. They can specify the amount of Bitcoin they want to buy and confirm the transaction. Selling Bitcoin. Conversely, users can sell their Bitcoin holdings on the Cash App. They can choose to sell a portion or all of their Bitcoin and receive the equivalent value in their Cash App balance or linked bank account. Transferring Bitcoin. Users can also transfer their Bitcoin to other Cash App users instantly and free of charge. This feature allows for seamless peer-to-peer transactions using Bitcoin. Storage and security. Cash App provides a built-in Bitcoin wallet where users can securely store their Bitcoin holdings. Cash App employs robust security measures to protect users' funds and personal information. Convenience. The integration of Bitcoin functionality within the Cash App makes it convenient for users to manage their Bitcoin alongside their traditional fiat currency transactions. Additionally, the user-friendly interface makes buying, selling, and transferring Bitcoin accessible to a broad audience.